Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to take you to Panda King. It's located in the West Bank, and I hope this is not a surprise for you guys, but this place served the best dim sum in the New Orleans area. And I'm not kidding, they do have the best food selection wise. And we'll see what happens today. You know, it's been a while since I've been here, and let's go and take a look. And they actually serve the dim sum in a push cart, so they go around in this little cart and you pick what you want and they put it on your table. And as you pick what you want, they're gonna stamp your little piece of paper as to how much you had consumed for each dish. And so let's go in and let's enjoy our lunch. Not a lot of people. We were able to get a table right away. Oh, look, that's I think that's duck. Is that duck? You want to taste? You want some duck? Okay, one duck. See how they push cart it, Jessie? I hope that's fresh, huh? That's the only one left there.
Yeah, but it's lunchtime.
Okay.
Yeah, later.
Thank you.
I'm gonna show Edna, and this is how we do it, huh?
It's hot in here.
Each table get one of these cards, so they stamp it as they put food on your table. And let me get some chili sauce, of course, you know. Can't have dim sum without chili sauce. This looks so good. What is that? Pork knuckle, and yeah, she wants some of that Chinese broccoli. I don't know about that pork. That's too fat. One order. Okay, we get one. Can you give us like 3? Is that pork?
Yeah.
Pork. No chicken, huh?
Pork.
Okay, pork. No beef.
All right.
And then
Pork
three
what?
little bowls.
Oh,
We'll share.
okay.
So Jessie would taste that. Shomai, Jessie, just pick shrimp shomai, and what's the other one?
Quail egg shumai,
Quail egg,
chicken
bun.
bun, spare rib.
I don't want spare ribs, too greasy. What is that one?
I know the sticky rice.
Sticky rice? Okay,
You know the
we'll
sticky-
try.
sticky rice.
We'll try the sticky rice.
Ooh, I want
Oh, that's a good one.
and the chicken feet.
Okay, I want chicken feet.
Okay.
Just bring in that stuff. Okay. Oh boy.
Oh, you get the
Can
whole
I-
tray?
Chicken feet, yeah. Yes, the
Do y'all
bean
want to eat
curd.
some of that?
Yes, of course. We'll try everything. If not, we can take
You
it
need that
home.
little sticky rice.
Sticky rice, we'll try that.
Do y'all want any of this?
Hang on a minute.
Chicken bun.
You want bun?
Spare rib.
No spare rib. It's always never good.
What was that? Shrimp?
Show my shrimp, show my.
shomai.
Can I
Okay.
just have one? I have to
No.
have the whole thing.
The whole. We'll try it, Jessie.
Okay, so that's it, man.
What's the other one?
Quail egg shumai.
Oh, you want quail egg? No.
Chicken bun. No.
No.
Okay.
No for right now. So are all of these medium? What is this?
No, sir.
Large? Okay.
Oh, Lord.
You want to try quail egg? Gusto mo quail egg? No. Okay, you want to try any of this?
No, I don't think so. What's that one?
Oh, fruit. We'll do that later after we eat all of this. Thank you.
Good, Janet. Everything's good.
Look at that shrimp.
So shy on salt.
Maybe clams. You want to try clams?
Yeah, I have clams all the time.
No? Okay, so no, she said. Let me try some of these duck. It is so good. It is tender, very tasty, juicy. Oh God, it is so good. I'm telling you. Now let's try some of these Chinese broccoli. I love Chinese broccoli. It's part of a dim sum. Should never miss this when you come for dim sum. The Chinese broccoli was steamed just right. It has a little crunch, but not too soggy. And the oyster sauce that they ladle on top of the broccoli just make it all perfect. It is just so delicious. You ought to try it when you come over here. Splitting this here congee.
Does it taste rotten?
No, it's it just tastes different. I don't think it tastes rotten.
Soup.
Did you eat it?
Mm-hmm.
Or how is it?
Good.
I guess for me, you need to have an acquired taste.
I like trying new things though. If I don't like it, I might try it one more time.
I would sometimes cut this up, and then you just put soy sauce and vinegar. That's it.
Good.
Well, the star of the dim sum is chicken feet. I'm telling you, no dim sum is ever complete without chicken feet. It is so delicious and tasty, and it's actually full of collagen, if you know, and this is sort of good for your skin, and they just cook it right. You know, it was cooked down really, probably slow cooked, so tender, juicy, and I'm telling you, it's just wonderful flavor in your mouth. The collagen, oh God.
Let me put that right here. You okay with that here? Try chicken feet today,
She didn't try chicken feet.
You don't eat chicken feet? Okay. The batter's good. You don't really eat the feet anyway, do you?
There's no batter. It's more you eat the collagen. It's collagen. I told client, well, isn't that fat? She said, no. Chicken feet is collagen. I said, really?
Like our grandmother before. You mean cartilage?
Collagen.
My grandma say you
said
need
it's
to eat
rich in
two
collagen.
chicken feet to be balance of your foot. Put sugar. Don't eat one.
Yeah, you have to eat a pair.
This is very good.
Yep, you gotta eat a pair of chicken feet and not just one foot, because that's tradition. Now let's try this bean curd. It's stuffed with pork and some other vegetable. Again, it's very tasty. It's really, really good. And it's just the texture of it is very different. It's really good. Oh, I wish y'all can taste what I'm eating. It's really good. Stuck. Esther, you know how to eat that? You don't eat the head, or you do eat the head? You're supposed to eat the head with it. No, is it crunchy?
I just eat the fat of the head.
I don't think it's that spicy. So this is the salt and pepper shrimp. Let's see.
Hindi naman maalat eh. It's not salty.
Oh. That's okay.
You almost need a table for four. That table, the 3 people. Because there's so much stuff.
See, I wish I could make shrimp like this. Like even the skin you can eat and the head. Like it was so crispy.
The skin of the shrimp, I had to pull a couple of pieces out of my mouth. But the head was delicious and the tail was delicious.
Eat your shrimp. You were waiting for another one?
Well, take it.
Take it.
Y'all eat it.
I already ate it. Right? Now if I could get it all there.
I like the texture of it. I am an absolute mess today.
Now don't worry, they're gonna clean it up.
They're gonna clean it up. Just
Yeah, but I don't want to sit in front of me, remind me
bad.
that I'm a mess.
let's try it. Here. So give me some more chili. Man, I sure ate a lot of chili today. Oh no, we already did that.
So, in there, it's a buffet, right? Mm-hmm. Is there any of this on the buffet?
I don't think so. No, it's different.
I'm just curious.
Different buffet. I mean, we can walk over there and see, but I don't think they have this on that side. I've been at that side before. Long time ago. Meron ba ganito? They have DimSum? No, huh? Yeah, I don't think they do. They don't have this one yet.
I can't believe you eating all that hot stuff, girl.
It's not really that spicy though. Is it spicy for you?
A little. Not too spicy, but
I think it's more salty to me than
I
spicy.
like salty. I like spicy. Is that the egg?
Uh-huh. Oh, the egg is not like fresh. It's like the can, I think. I could be wrong. We're dining like king and queen here. This is pork shomai now. Good Lord.
Again, the shomai did not disappoint. We had shrimp shomai and also pork shomai and the quail egg shomai. They are all so delicious. I cannot rave enough about this place. Oh.
Like a mochi ball. Remember I gave you one time? This is good. You want to try it? I just disappointed.
Jenna, I'm so full. I can't even try that.
I'm just disappointed because it's not salted egg.
No. I'm about to bust.
Yeah, this is the damage. Oh my God! Thank God they took some of the plate, this tin off of the Look at the roast duck. That was good.
We are all so full, all three of us. Well, the total damage is about $75 before tip. So this is the bill, you know, and they just, like I said, they stamp it as you order or you pick up from the cart, and that's your final bill. You guys need to check this place out. It's at the West Bank in the New Orleans area. This video is not sponsored by any chance. I paid for our meals. Leave me a comment down below. Have you tried DimSum in other places? How is this compared to DimSum in New York? I think it's darn pretty close. Although today I find like the variety is not as plentiful as before. But anyway, everything was still good and delicious. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and let me know what you think. And it helps the channel out a lot. So until next time, bye!